Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo XC60 T6 Momentum in pine gray metallic with a maroon brown interior. This has just under 27,000 miles on it, 19-inch wheels. This has the convenience package, so you get the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. That's the semi-autonomous drive mode, where you'll be able to trust that the car will keep you in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you, and you can choose the car length distance that you're most comfortable with. Keyless entry and hands-free power liftgate are options on this. That pine gray metallic paint is such an interesting paint color. It just changes as the sun hits it, and it's really a chameleon color. It's beautiful. T6 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, and you'll get 316 horsepower from that. Plenty of cargo space. It's a sunroof open kind of day here in Scarborough, Maine. It is gorgeous out. This one has the seats that you can fold from here, the power back seats. So the Momentum is our base trim level, and this is still a beautiful XC60. This has the climate package, so you'll get heated front seats, a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and heated back seats. Hey, voila. Got cup holders, little tray here. The controls for the back seat heats are there. There's plenty of room in the door here for water bottles or your wallet. Child door locks. Swedish flag sewn into the seat, a little nod to the craftsmanship and the heritage of Volvo. Swedish flag kind of right in the molding of that trim there. It's kind of neat. Aluminum inlays. Those are your safety systems, checking every time you start up. So when we get cars in, sometimes not all of the wheels are perfect, and so we send them to get the wheels refinished, and sometimes when they put the wheels back on, we lose a little tire pressure, so we'll just go back to the shop and get the tires all square. But this is a good learning opportunity, because if something's wrong, your car status will show up, and it'll let you know when you turned your car on. And what is the problem. So tire pressure monitoring system is there, and the message itself will just say tire pressure low, and then see tire pressure monitoring system for information. And so what we'll do is we'll check the pressure, and then we will recalibrate and store the pressure, and it'll cancel that out or square that up. So good to know. Features that are just, they look like kind of intense because it has an orange exclamation point, but it's really not that bad. We can take care of it, no problem. You can take care of it at a gas station filling your own tires up. Navigation here. This car has heated front seats and heated steering wheel, as I said, with the climate package. Over to the left here, this is where you'll find some vehicle functions, and you can move these around. See what you use the most, put that right up front. Maybe I like to have the camera up front there. This has adjustable drive modes. So this roll bar, you'll scroll through this, and make the decision for the day. So many options. This is a very nice XC60, and it is stock number 6120A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we hope to see you in soon. Schedule a test drive or show up, see us on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.